Alright, y'all, I'm back. Yeah, but shit, I'm going through. I'm in the process. Let me tell y'all, so they cut the beat down. I'm in the process of getting all my shit verified right now. You know what I'm saying? My lawyers, they're in the office right now working on my scheduling, my dockets and all my legal. You see this right here? This is my verification application right here. They working on all. Hold on. They working on getting all my shit. They working on it right now to get all my shit verified. All my lawyers, but fuck all that other shit. They deal with all that. I don't deal with all that shit. I don't want to talk about that shit. I don't got nothing to talk about on that shit. They do all that shit. They take care of all that shit. I just forward it to them. They show up in 30 days and yeah, better be about what you was about. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know how they say like on the commercial, nigga, you don't win till we win type shit, nigga. So you know what I'm saying? It's that season, nigga. You better believe it for all you fuck niggas. But back to what I was talking about, what I'm doing. Little baby said, I'm gonna show y'all what's outside. You know what I'm saying? I don't really do this shit, but I'm gonna show y'all today, nigga. Let me cut the beat down, dog. I got my auntie in the background, by the way, you feel me? She recording this shit too, but she know I gotta mute the cussing out, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Look, let me show y'all, hold on. First off, y'all see me over there, like. Oh yeah, I'm just doing the Davis Rogers them. You know Davis Rogers them? Y'all know nigga that come out the closet with the damn hanger and shit? Y'all remember him? Nigga, he walked so smooth and so settled. not Beethoven, not Zaytoven, but Beethoven. The nigga Mr. Hanger, the nigga that walk out the class, that you walk out the closet with the hanger on, with the hanger. You walk out with a hanger on your head, yeah, y'all remember him. But now back to what I'm doing. Let me show y'all, man. I'm next door. I'll see who I'm gonna go to. Hold on, fast. What it do, man? I love you, dude. I'm in the city, man. It ain't nothing. We're gonna get it right. But yeah, this me, man. That's all you y'all know. I'll see. She talking about what's outside. Say what's outside. She said that bit me thing outside. I ain't really do it. We just quiet a little bit, man. But yes, what's outside? Brother say he can go outside. What's outside? She said she don't know what's outside. Yeah, I gotta walk the dog some days, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all, man. I don't know why I'm in the city hanging out. You know, got cameras on cameras, digital dash on digital dash, got GPS on everything, and my auntie with my auntie and all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Squire left peas. It's like a newborn baby. Hold on. You feel me? They all look. They in the background looking. Like that nigga, yeah. That nigga love that camera. Look. Y'all see my background? Yeah. I love you too. Look. But yeah, I'm like, oh shit. I don't hit the wrong button. Nah, but look. Yeah, y'all fuck with me. See me? Oh, y'all see it. Oh, they was hollering. What they was talking about? What they was talking about? Y'all didn't even show these features, man. Y'all holler at me. Yeah, I'm in the city. The long way. I don't know, man. Y'all see me. Y'all know what I'm doing. I don't know what that other shit is. I ain't trying to find out. I don't care. Y'all see me, man. I don't know what's going on. Flip it around, show y'all the flip round. Y'all the flip round shit. bullshit and shit. That bullshit. You got flip around game going on, all kind of shit. Yeah, y'all fuck me, man. Dinner party going down tonight, man. 11 o'clock. On Jucie Tilapia, you feel me? Yeah, this is. But yeah, we got some other shit going on right now. A whole bunch of spooky and shit. Hey, what y'all fuck with me? That's what they're doing. She do. That's scary. Yeah. She's so scary, dog. She's cool. Hey, you too. She's like, hey. All right, y'all. I'm going. I'm finna go hang out. Oh, here they come. Oh, that fuck shit. Watch this shit. Look at this shit. Watch that shit. What that is? Who that is? I don't even on back, motherfucking background. They been in their head looking over here and shit. But yeah, like I was saying, bro. I know what I'm doing, man. Y'all can see me. Times y'all see, man. We finna head out. Look at y'all get ready, man. June 7th. Friday, tomorrow. Big day. Big night. It's something but it's night, you feel me? So y'all hang in there. Look going around and shit. They doing what they doing and we doing what we doing for a reason. Oh yeah, fuck. StunnaMFBaby. I love y'all, man. Hey, y'all see me though. Go with me. Little baby. Little baby. Neto. I'm saying cut your camera on for a real nigga. Hello? Cut the beat off, hold on. Can you hear me? Lagging. Hello? Hey, you hear me? Can you see me? What they do, Netta? Huh? Hey, I can't see you? Say, why your camera ain't on? Cut your camera on. Oh. Hey, I think y'all just. Hey, I'm gonna charge my computer up. Hey, send me your number. Yeah. Huh? You say what? You turn it back on. You say what? What you said? Yeah. Alright, come with me. Huh? But yeah, what they got going on. They standing in one place though. To keep motherfuckers going.
That's my own. I'm afraid of shit. But yeah, man. You feel me? All day, every motherfucking day. Hey, Darren, call my phone, man. Call me. I'm to my every day I wake up. Every day I wake up, Darren Flanger, my attorney, call me. I've been calling. I know you backed up. Call my phone, bro, every day at 7 o'clock in the morning, bro. Every time you get up, every time you brush your teeth, bro, we finna stick together like glue. Fuck all that other shit, bro. Cause I am so disappointed with what I'm seeing when I come back to my city. You motherfuckers, bro, y'all gotta move around, bro. Y'all just stand in one spot. Darren Flanger, man, call my phone, figure off this internet shit. Y'all fuck with me. My dinner party going down at 11 o'clock. Jucie Tilapia. If these motherfuckers want to stand around me in one place and surround me and all day, every day, bro, on the side of a building to fuck shit, on one side of my door, Darren, it's gonna be my last time. And all my whole city watching this shit. But y'all tune in and watch this shit, bro, because I told them, bro, stop motherfucking playing with my motherfucking door handle. All right, y'all. I'm gonna call my attorney. Fuck with me.